Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Dogelon price prediction and Dogelon news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Dogelon in 2022. Dogelon is a dog-themed meme coin on Ethereum and Polygon. It follows the example of other successful dog coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu. Dogelon plays on several popular themes in the meme coin space. Its name is a mixture of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the billionaire entrepreneur who is an outspoken supporter of Doge. It alludes to Mars, a spin on the famous moon meme, implying that Dogelon will experience a massive upward movement. Beyond its tongue-in-cheek name, Dogelon has managed to build a significant community, with more than 300,000 Twitter followers, and more than 84,000 followers on Telegram. Just like is the case for its more prominent and more established cousins, the founders of this particular dog coin are unknown. That is somewhat of a common occurrence for meme coins, and investors are well advised to do due diligence with little-known coins to avoid falling victim to malicious practices like rug pulls and exit scams. With that said, Elon has been on the market for several months, making the likelihood of the coin being a scam relatively small. 2022. If you have been in the crypto corridors for a while, you can't help noticing the similarity of Dogelon with Doge and Elon Musk. Maybe it's not straightforward, but there is a connection. Dogelon ticker symbol, Elon, says as much about the association. The naming masterstroke captures the attention of meme coin enthusiasts. Dogelon is a meme coin that seeks to reciprocate the success of Dogecoin. It then loops in on Elon Musk, the lord of the meme coins. Elon Musk's tweets on virtual currencies significantly affect the crypto market. Essentially, Dogelon is a Dogecoin fork that seeks to replicate Doge's success and achieve Elon Musk's vision of colonizing Mars. Remember, canine meme coins like Doge and SHIB have had a successful year breaking the crypto market growth records. Price growth in future outlook. Dogelon has currently a market cap of $1,983,605,856,593 and ranks 120th on the crypto list. It started trading at $0.000000120 in May 2021 and grew to a high of $0.0002663 in October of the same year. It is now trading at $0.000001068. As mentioned, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu grew thousands-fold in 2021. Can Dogelon achieve the same feat? This article will explore Dogelon price predictions for 2022. Dogelon price forecast. In response to Musk's tweet, MicroStrategy CEO, Michael Saylor, reiterated that he sees a future where consumer and asset inflation will continue to reach new all-time highs, triggering serious capital flights from inflation-prone instruments like cash, value stocks, and others, to scarce property like Bitcoin. Dogecoin sees 10% bounce, further consolidating Saylor's prediction. Musk advised his followers to latch onto physical investments like real estate or the stocks of stable companies, instead of keeping the US dollar, adding that he himself is still holding on to his Bitcoin, Ether, and Dogecoin and doesn't plan to liquidate his portfolio anytime soon. As a general principle, for those looking for advice from this thread, it is generally better to own physical things like a home or stock in companies you think make good products than dollars when inflation is high. I still own, and won't sell my Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Doge, declared Musk. As expected, Musk's tweet triggered a sudden pump in the price of Dogecoin, Doge, pushing the meme coin from around $0.111 at 410 UTC to as high as $0.122 by 417 UTC. However, the digital asset has since lost steam, trading around $0.1156 at the time of writing this report, with Bitcoin such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. The backdrop for this was a poll launched by Musk among more than 62 million of his Twitter followers, about whether he should sell 10% of his shares in Tesla amid pressure from Washington to increase taxes on billionaires like him. But the poll sent Tesla stock down ahead of the market opening today. And second news today, the week-long rally has been even more impressive. On March 30th, Doge was trading at 14 cents, which, from trough to peak, marks roughly a 21% increase. Despite the bullish surge, Doge is still down from its all-time high of 73 cents in May 2021. At that time, the cryptocurrency joined a handful of other meme stocks like GameStop, GME, and AMC Theaters, AMC, in one of the more bizarre bull run stories in financial history. The most likely reason behind Dogecoin's latest rise is the project's close ties with Elon Musk and his strong influence over the price of Doge, an influence which he often exercises on Twitter. On Monday, Musk purchased a 9.2% stake in the social media firm, according to an SEC filing. The filing indicated that the Telsa chief had purchased 73,486,938 TWTR shares at $39.31, totaling more than $2.8 billion in June, setting a new high for the first 6 months. Q3 and Q4, as per the predictions, the buyers could push prices higher in the third quarter and eventually cross the $0.000002. During the 3 months, the price is expected to range between $0.00000135057028 and $0.00000219557789. CryptoPredictions.com algorithm projects Dogelon growth to continue without slowing down. The coin of Elon is expected to trade between $0.0000015571595505 and $0.00000246781981 in the last quarter. The price is expected to average $0.00000246781981 in October, $0.0000019061640997 in November, and $0.0000019742558848 in December. The price could be higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.00000221. Elon is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.00000192, a low price of $0.00000186, and an expected price of $0.00000221. Course forecast 2025 Elon will be seen as the best option, and with the spread of the Dogelon community, Mars is finding new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the Dogelon Mars price will be almost $0.00000271. The maximum bet we can get is $0.00000326. Dogelon Mars average price forecast for the end of 2025 could be around $0.00000278. A large price turnover is expected in the turnover observed in the cryptocurrency market. Dogelon Mars course prediction 2026 volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today, forecasting and implementation at current prices is expected. Many cryptanalysts are at play in this regard. Price predictions are correct for recovery years. Cryptocurrency consumers still ban and restrict cryptocurrencies. Dogelon Mars could cross $0.00000464 if the market sees a good normal run in 2026. Elon rate prediction 2027 Dogelon Mars will increase the load on the network and interaction with people. Therefore, the settlement price for 2027 is bullish. According to analysts, Elon is expected to trigger a $0.00000709 rate hike by the end of 2027. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Dogelon Mars will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Elon will be between $0.00000600 and $0.00000617 expected in 2027 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Elon changes from $0.00000600 to $0.00000709 for 2027. Dogelon Mars course prediction 2028 The current price range of Dogelon Mars may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Elon could reach $0.00001049 by 2028, with an average rate of $0.00000905 for 2028. It could beat the latest price trend and reach new highs. Slogan bets can be made as the cryptocurrency market may see another usual trend on its way to 2028. Elon rate prediction 2029 for a long-term forecast of the price of Dogelon Mars, an important basic analysis. In terms of industry interests, the token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As DApp and stablecoin network develops, efficient programmable payment, logistics and storage options are being offered. There is a high chance that the average Elon price will rise to around $0.00001354 by 2029 if the idea attracts more reach. For 2029, it could end up with a high price of $0.00001543 with a low price. The level is $0.00001318.